Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the evaluation of the quotes from the subtrades. In the first example, we're going to look at some quotes from the suppliers. They're supplying pre-engineered materials, including the joist and the trusses. What we should do is always to define a list of adjustment factors for our evaluation. In this case, everyone was including the TGI floor joist, the parallam, and the timber strand. So we can put included for across the board. But for glulam, only supplier number 3 was including that for $10,000. In this case, you should contact supplier 1 and supplier 2 to get their number. However, if you cannot get any response on time, what you can do is for now you can put an ad for $10,000. Joist hanger seems to be included for everyone, so what we do is just to put it included across the board. The connector, only supplier 2 was including that for $5,000. Again, you either get quotes from supplier 1 or supplier 3 for their own number, or for now you can plug in $5,000 for the people who missed it. Now at the bottom you can do an Autosum. Before the evaluation, we thought supplier 1 would be the lowest. But now after the evaluation, we can see actually the lowest would be the supplier number 3. And also the number we're looking at will be $12,000 extra on the joist and beam package. Let's add up both joist, beam, and trusses to see what the whole package look like. Similar ideas can be applied to other construction trades. Another note on the plug numbers. Sometimes none of the subtrades was including concrete finishing, and then you will have to plug in a number based on your own estimate or get a quote from somewhere else. The whole point of subtrade evaluation was trying to compare everything apples to apples. On this framing example, if we did not do this evaluation, our lowest number would have been $90,000 for a framer. However, our lowest bid would actually be $116,000. This is the value of subcontract evaluation. Because doing this exercise, we saved ourselves from making the mistake of $26,000. This concludes our short tutorial today. In chapter 4 of the book, you can find a number of subcontract evaluation worksheet, anything from site work to electrical. Thank you for your patience, and we'll see you next time.